how to check recent activity on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can check the recent activity on Android phone. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to check the recent activity on your Android phone, first of all, open up your phone. I'm using a Samsung phone right now. So what you're going to do is simply tap on your main settings. After that, you'll be able to see home interface. So what you're going to do is simply tap on your profile at the settings. So here on the search bar, you're just gonna simply type in data and privacy. You can see, simply tap on data and privacy. Since we are on Android phone, so our Samsung account or any other device account is directly gonna be linked with our Google account. So it will redirect us to Google account. So what I'm gonna do is scroll down a bit and you can see this history settings. So here under data and privacy, you'll be able to see a bunch of options like your data and privacy option, things you've done, places you've been, info that you can share with others, and all of the things. So you just need to simply tap on those options and you should be able to see what activity that you've done. Or you may simply tap on this My Activity section and it will open up. Wait for it to be opened first, and here you can see your wave activity, YouTube history, and all of the things. So you just need to simply follow the steps in order to see your activity on your device on your Android phone. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.